Zubair is saying market confidence in BNB is stronger than ever before. NFT Cat is saying this is what true strength in an exchange token looks like. Institutions plus retail equals to unstoppable momentum. Empire is saying Binance dominance reflected in its token. DeFi Ninja is saying congrats to all BNB holders, patience paid off. Fossil is saying the BNB story is far from over. Joseph is saying over $1,000 and still climbing. All-time highs don't come from luck, they come from real demand. Ibrahim is saying breaking $1,000 was just the beginning. Trisom is saying institutions are watching, retail is rushing, BNB is thriving, all-time high. Feels like BNB is only just starting. Avocado is saying adoption and utility making this growth sustainable. Mrs. Mary is saying this breakout shows the strength of the ecosystem. The Jupiter is saying BNB smashing new all-time high, absolutely unstoppable. If you are observant enough, you would have seen how BNB has been rising in price since the last 2 to 3 months. And this video is an attempt to actually check the reasons why BNB has been increasing in price for the past few months, and also why you should pay attention to most of these coins that are under BNB Smart Chain Network. If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. So this is BNB USDT chart, and as you can see here, BNB has reached a new all-time high of $1,375. But as at last 2 months, BNB was just trading at somewhere around $700. So the big question is that what has happened that actually led to the rising of BNB from $700 to over $1,300 just within a space of 2 months. Ugo.w3 is saying, someone who understands in depth, do you know what is happening with BNB that doesn't stop rising? And why doesn't anyone talk about this cryptocurrency? Mr. Ape is saying BNB will drive the next phase of crypto dominance. BNB has been in a clean uptrend since breaking its old all-time high. It is showing immense strength with higher highs and steady momentum. Last year, when I called BNB to flip Sol, I wasn't expecting it to happen this early with such momentum and liquidity. Unlike others, BNB is building real on-chain utility. I caught BNB early because the structure was too clean to ignore. And even now, it feels like we are just getting started with the next leg of its dominance. Ato Anoma is saying, let us see some of the reasons why BNB is widening. Ecosystem booming, the BNB chain activity is surging, 1 million plus daily users, 15 million plus transactions per day. That's an impressive growth. Web5 Solution is saying why BNB reached its all-time high. Number 1, Binance Smart Chain adoption, low fees and high speed attracted projects and users. DeFi boom on BSC, yield farming and innovative DeFi projects surge BNB demand. If you observe very well, you would have seen that a whole lot of projects are now coming under BNB Smart Chain Network, and it seems that BNB is the one leading this bull run. Talking about a project like WKC, Asta and Co, they are all under BNB Smart Chain Network, and the more people are actually trading on this network, it will simply make BNB to be in higher demand. And that's why this price keep increasing every day, and it is high time you also start looking into all those projects that are under BNB Smart Chain Network. Thanks for watching guys, and let us meet in my next video.